Hello and welcome to Joy's Paw World. If you're new to my channel, please click like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to click the notification bell so every time I upload a video, you will be notified. Thank you. Okay, this is what I saw in my backyard early in the morning while I was having a cup of coffee, just enjoying the view of the yard, and I saw the birds. They're having a good time. So I decided to videotape it, and I think they're blue jays, and there's a few that I don't know what kind of bird they are. But they are so beautiful to watch them and just listen to their birds' noise. So I thought I should videotape it and share it with the world so you can see it for yourself. I usually have an ocean view, but in this one, early in the morning, it's usually foggy. As you can see it right there. You can barely see the ocean because it's still, like I said, it's still foggy, but it's still beautiful. This bird is not a blue jay. I'm not so sure if it's a woodpecker. I had the feeling it's a woodpecker, but he is so fascinating to watch. I was drinking a cup of coffee while I was watching the bird just perching in that little tree limb. And of course, my dogs were fascinated by the bird's noise too, and you can hear Wally is barking at the birds.